Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Fedha's Community, and today in Fedha's Kitchen we're going to be making this stir fried rice in the Benihana restaurant style. Stay back and relax. So yes, because we're actually making this stir fried rice in the Benihana and Chinese restaurant style, I think I've learned that the major thing that has to the taste is this combination of butter and garlic and soy sauce. So we're gonna be trying that today. We're gonna be adding some butter. You had some garlic and some soy sauce in a bowl. Then this is and some chopped garlic. I added some um salt and garlic in container. Then I also chopped some garlic myself. Then here is me going in with the and soy sauce. Then you go ahead and stir all that and together. I just always love this fried rice, particular fried rice. If you go to the Benihana Chinese restaurants, you're gonna have this feeling. It's not the usual Nigerian fried rice of our and frying the rice and our um vegetables, which is actually good, but this just has a different taste. So yeah, this is my butter and garlic and the soy sauce mix. So next I went in to fry some veggies. I have some tomatoes, onions, which I fried in some oil, and this is the base for the stir fried rice. And so go ahead and fry that. Then I added some shrimps also and to eat, and I'm also going to and fry that. So you'll be frying your veggies and your shrimps. It depends on the protein you want to use. And I went ahead to add the rest of the garlic that I used earlier. So yeah, it's a lot of garlic, and you're going to have the garlic taste in this particular recipe. So yes, go ahead and stir the veggies. Then you're gonna go in with some spices. I added some salt. I added some and all seasoning spice adobe into my mixture of my veggies and the shrimp that I'm cooking. I added my allspice. So go ahead and use the spices that you want for your cooking. And yes, I do more stirring. I stir the vegetables and the shrimps and together just to make sure that they are properly cooked, as you can see me doing. And so a quick one, I'd just like to know, have you tried any other food, like apart from the normal food you eat, the regular food you eat from your country, or the one you cook in your house? What other international dish have you tried that you really love? You can comment that and in the comment section. Let's just chat. For me, I also love a lot of Thai food. I eat Thai food a lot, so that's one food I really like. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and pour some cooked rice into our veggies, and some call it day rice. So you're gonna add some cooked rice into the veggies, and we're gonna stir that together shortly. So I don't know about you, but I just love Thai food, honestly. Whenever I'm asked to go out and someone says, where do you want to go to? What comes to my head is Thai food, because I think I can really relate with their food. So yes, to continue our video, I'm going to go ahead to fry some eggs. And this is the recipe we're using for our stir fried rice. And that looks like the Benihana restaurant's fried rice. Yes, we're both doing this together. And so you go ahead and fry the rice beside the pan, and you're gonna mix everything together. You're gonna mix it gently, just to make sure that the rice does not spill over. Remember, we already have some vegetables inside the pan, we have some cooked rice, and we have the eggs. So you want to mix everything together until they are thoroughly mixed. So yeah, this is me going in and mixing everything together. Yeah, just gently and nice for everything to be well and mixed together. So yes, you just want to stir your rice properly and make sure that they are well combined with the ingredients. after stirring, I went ahead to add my soy sauce and the mixture. You want to add some soy sauce and dark soy sauce, and to be precise, and to give it some color. And so you mix this. Then also I also use the sesame oil. I love the taste of the sesame oil. It's so good. Like it gives the rice this nice shiny look, and also the good taste of the oil. So yes, this is the main ingredients: the butter, garlic, and soy sauce. You want to go ahead and add this into your rice, and it's going to be a bang, and you already know it. When there's butter, there's something yummy, but I just had this yummy feel too. And your food, then yes, I went ahead to add some sweet corn. Also, this is optional actually. You can decide to add some sweet corn if you want, or you can leave it out. But for mine, I just wanted to have enough veggies in my food. Remember earlier we added some tomatoes, onions, we also added some shrimps, and yes, I'm adding some sweet corn to my rice. And yes, at this point, you just want to go ahead and combine everything properly. And you want to make sure that it is not burning. You want to put your heat on medium. And my heat is not on high, so the rice is good. And at this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to your girl. We need this. We need to grow on this channel. So yeah, this is my rice coming out nice. I added some spring onions and to eat for that extra spice and and smelling and good taste. The spring onions is also optional, but it's good to have in your food. So I'm combining it for one last time, and this is really looking good already. I went ahead to taste the food. I'm like, ooh, oh man, this is good. So it looks good and it tasted really good. And at this point, I was starting to think that, babe, what are you going to do with this food? Like, are you going to keep it for the week? How am I going to portion this food so that it really lasts and I can have it all throughout the week? And I was thinking, which of my friends do I want to share it with? This is good. It really tasted nice. The blend of the butter, garlic, and soy sauce gave the rice another taste. And if you have gone to Benihana and restaurants, you're going to know that their stir-fried rice always tastes differently. So please try this and tell me what you think about the recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.